Have you ever struggled with organizing your thoughts or presenting complex ideas in a clear and concise way? Well, you're not alone, but luckily there is a solution: the Minto Pyramid Principle. In this video, we will explain what the Minto Pyramid Principle is, how it works, and give you real-life examples of its effectiveness. Imagine you have to give a presentation to your boss about a new project you're working on. You've spent hours researching and gathering information, but when it comes to presenting, you find yourself struggling. You're stumbling over your words and losing your audience's attention. The Minto Pyramid Principle can help you to avoid that situation and present your ideas in a clear, logical way. The Minto Pyramid Principle is a method for organizing and presenting information in a way that is easy for the audience to understand. The Minto Principle is based on the idea that information should be presented in a pyramid structure, starting with the most important point at the top and supporting information below. Here's how it works. Situation. Start by presenting the situation or a problem that you are addressing. This sets the stage for your presentation and provides context for your audience. Complication. Next, present the complication or issue that needs to be addressed. This is the problem that you're trying to solve. Question. Now ask a question that directly relates to the complication. This question should help you focus your presentation and guide the audience towards the solution. Answer. Finally, provide your answer to the question. This is the solution or recommendation that you've developed based on your research and the analysis you've conducted. To illustrate this principle, let's say you're presenting a new marketing campaign for a product. Here's how you would use the Minto Pyramid Principle. Situation. Product has seen a decline in sales over the past year. Complication. The current marketing campaign is not resonating with the target audience. Question. How can we develop a marketing campaign that will resonate with the target audience and perhaps increase the sales? The answer here would be, we can create a new campaign that focuses on the product's unique features and benefits and target the audience through social media, for example, and influencer marketing. The Minto Pyramid Principle is a powerful tool that can help you organize and present complex information in a clear and concise way. By following the structure of situation, complication, question, and answer, you can create a presentation that's easy for your audience to follow and understand. Whether you're giving a presentation to your boss or writing a report, the Minto Pyramid Principle can help you present your ideas with confidence and clarity. So make sure you try it today. Let me know how it goes. Any comments are welcome in the section down below.